Ecology is the scientific study of interactions among organisms and their environment. Biology examines organism behavior, physiology and evolution. Geology studies soil types, terrain and geological processes affecting habitats. Chemistry focuses on nutrient cycles, pollution and chemical interactions in ecosystems. Physics looks at energy flow, climate patterns and physical environmental factors. Mathematics is used for modeling population dynamics and ecological interactions. Sociology and economics consider human impacts, resource management and sustainable development. Origin of life and speciation. Origin of life. Abiogenesis, life arising from non-living matter through natural processes. Key experiments include the Miller-Urey experiment simulating early Earth conditions. The RNA world hypothesis suggests that RNA molecules were the precursors to current life forms. This intriguing idea posits that RNA, with its ability to store genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions, played a crucial role in the early stages of life on Earth. The hydrothermal vent hypothesis proposes that life began in deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These environments, rich in minerals and chemicals, could have supported the necessary reactions for life to originate and thrive. Speciation refers to the process by which new and distinct species arise. This fundamental concept in biology explains how the diversity of life on Earth has evolved over time through mechanisms such as natural selection and genetic drift. Definition: the process by which new distinct species evolve. Mechanisms. Allopatric speciation occurs when populations are geographically isolated. Sympatric speciation occurs without geographical isolation, often through genetic divergence. Peripatric and Parapatric speciation. Small populations splits from the main population, which is peripatric, or adjacent populations evolve into distinct species known as parapatric. Drivers include genetic mutations, natural selection, reproductive isolation, and environmental changes. Human ecology and settlement. Human ecology. Definition: study of relationships between humans and their natural, social, and built environments. Focus areas. Population dynamics, birth rates, death rates, migration patterns. Resource use, consumption of natural resources, energy use, sustainability practices. Environmental impact: pollution, habitat destruction, climate change. Cultural practices: how cultural behaviors influence and are influenced by the environment. Human settlement. Types. Urban settlements: high population density, infrastructure and diverse economic activities. Rural settlements: lower population density, primarily agricultural-based economies. Factors influencing settlement. Geographical factors include the availability of water, fertile land and climate conditions. Economic factors such as employment opportunities and access to markets also play a crucial role. Social and political community networks, government policies, safety and security. Impacts on environment. Urbanization leads to habitat loss, increased pollution and resource strain. Deforestation, clearing land for agriculture or urban use, disrupts ecosystems. Climate change, settlements contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and are affected by climate change impacts. Environmental biology integrates various scientific disciplines to understand the complex interactions within ecosystems and the significant role humans play in these dynamics.